maraming haka-haka dyan. Na kami mga cabinet members, ako, tumatanggap ng pera. And, look, I give you this guarantee. Magdala ka lang ng tao at sabihin mo nagbigay siya ng piso sa amin, mag-resign ako bukas. Just one person, one affidavit. Walang imbento. Yung totoo na sinabi na may tinanggap kami ng pera, you just bring him to him or bring him before the public an announcement, and if true, I will tender my resignation as President of this Republic. That is my guarantee to you. Basta totoo. Do not lie. Huwag kang mag-concoct story. Masama yan. Kung ganon, ikaw ang patayin ko. You do destroy the name of persons or a cabinet member, o mayroon kayo na transaction, let me know. As far as I'm concerned, they are all honest. At kung mayroon ka, sabihin mo in public, and I will ask that cabinet member to resign immediately. Yan ang gano'n. Hindi maganda yung haka-haka because it will destroy. Sino pang maniwala sa amin kung you keep on parlaying this mga ganitong istorya? Ako, baski, hindi lang sa public. In government, if there is anybody who can prove that I received money from the office of the president, from the government, 1 peso more than my salary, re-resign rin ako. Yan ang guarantee ko sa inyo. Kung sumobra, I think may after tax, 200 ang sweldo ko, after tax, mga 193 na doon. Pag sumobra yan, magkumuha ako, ni piso, sumobra ako, ganon rin, I will resign.